Salut les petits amis, on se retrouve aujourd'hui comme promis avec un nouveau let's play Red Dead Redemption sur Xbox 360. J'espère que vous allez autant vous éclater à regarder que moi à le rejouer. Spéciale dédicace pour Jésus et Vander que je vous conseille d'aller suivre vraiment sur YouTube ainsi que sur Twitch. Il y aura toute la description, enfin tous les liens dans la description. Voilà, je vous conseille vraiment d'aller les voir. On commence tout de suite, c'est parti. Un bon petit jeu à la sauce Rockstar avec trame de Far West. Alors je sais pas combien d'épisodes on va faire, mais on va se le faire entièrement, ça c'est certain. Alors on va se charger une nouvelle partie. Et voilà, c'est parti. Un bon petit GTA à la sauce western. Alors je tiens à préciser une petite chose, c'est que je n'ai jamais fini le jeu. C'est un choix, même si je connais la fin. Donc, on la découvrira ensemble. Je vous laisse profiter un petit peu du début du contexte.
I, for one, am grateful, Mrs. Bush, that they are finally bringing civilization to this savage land.
I could not agree with you more, my dear.
Avec les vieilles pies.
Land, and I know he'll be looking down on us, pleased at how we help the natives.
Yes, they've lost their land, but they've gained access to heaven.
But Father, do you mean unless an innocent receives communion, they're destined to go to hell? That hardly seems fair.
What I mean to say, Jenny, is that there is a great deal of difference between an innocent and a savage.
I never thought of it that way.
Yes, they lived like animals, but they're happier now.
Not only do people now have motor cars, Father, but I heard that pretty soon we will be able to fly.
No, only angels can fly, Jenny.
No, apparently people can fly. Didn't you hear? Out in Kansas, a man even got a car to fly.
I hardly think so, Jenny.
Apparently, Mr. Johns wants to run for governor, which is why he's so concerned with cleaning up the state.
Nate Johns.
Yes.
His family is nothing but hillbilly trash that came here after the war. I don't want to be judgmental, but this state should not be ruled by such a disgusting family. A family without class.
Apparently. The Johns family have made a lot of money, and he has a lot of friends in politics.
Mrs. Bush, money isn't everything. There are many things that money cannot buy.
It seems that money can buy voters, though.
What you must remember, my dear, is that we have been brought here to spread the word. And the word and civilization, they are the same thing. They are the gifts. It is the opportunity we have, the chance to live among people who are decent and who do not kill each other. And who let you worship in peace.
It's so confusing, Father. Sometimes I find it impossible to make the distinction between a loving act and a hateful one. I mean, they often seem to be the same thing.
Yes, Jenny, it is confusing. But you only have to ask me if you need help.
Indeed.
Well, here we are, Mrs. Bush. Armadillo.
Voilà, comme je le disais, un petit jeu de Rockstar sorti, si je ne dis pas de bêtises, en mai 2010 en France. Donc, on est au début du XXe siècle. Petite révolution industrielle, en mode western et en mode GTA. En gros, on va prendre notre pied. C'est parti. Premier rendez-vous, le saloon, bien évidemment. Profiter un petit peu de cette grande avenue. Allez, on va aller directement au checkpoint. Qu'est-ce qu'il me veut, le chercheur d'or?
I'm Jake. Your friends from Blackwater hired me to guide you.
They ain't my friends, but pleased to meet you, Jake.
I got the horses saddled up and ready out front.
Bonne ambiance quand même. Oui, on va faire du cheval. Donne-moi le pourri là. Hop.
Take it easy until we're out of town. Ain't no point in causing a ruckus. Come on, Mr. Marston, no need for that. So it's Fort Mercy you want to visit?
That's right.
Ain't taking nobody up to the fort in a long time.
Et on est parti pour un petit peu d'histoire. On va apprendre un petit peu à connaître le personnage, ou du moins ce qu'il cherche.
It's been abandoned for years now. Folks say it was built during the Mexican War. What kinds of soldiers around back then?
Why'd they leave?
Well, I ain't entirely sure. I heard they had to go up north to fight Indians, or maybe they got tired of being soldiers and went looking for gold. You know how things is. So what are you doing up at the fort?
I'm looking for an old friend.
Well, like I says, you ain't gonna find many folk around those parts these days. Those you do find are about as sociable as an ulcerated back tooth. I mean, I ain't one to judge a man by the company he keeps, but...
Well, he ain't been friends for a long time.
Et maintenant, je vais le dessouder.
Are you planning on spending any time in Armadillo, Mr. Marston?
I doubt it. I ain't planning on staying very long.
Well, if you're fixing for some female company, you can do a lot worse than Armadillo. Fine as cream gravy they are. Not like Thieves Landing. Dang, those
Le mec,
girls
c'est un
ain't
Mac.
even fit for a drinking man to hole up with.
I'm a married man, I'm afraid.
Ain't we all? Yeah. So it was the
Ah,
marshal
ce
who hired
magnifique
me.
petit coucher de
Great
soleil.
job. Do you know him?
I think I heard his name.
Says he got a telegram from some Blackwater big bugs asking for a guide. I guess it's none of my business.
That's right.
Donc ferme ta gueule.
Yeah, yeah. You ain't very talkative, are you?
Nope.
I'm just chewing the dog, mister. That's how I am. I don't mean nothing by it.
Trust me. There's things you're better off not knowing.
I'll tell you, Mr. Marston, those coyotes eat better than I do. Not far now, Mr. Marston. The fort's just over this hill.
Slow down.
Listen, mister. This here is what's left of Fort Mercer. Some gang rode in and took the place over.
So I understand.
This is where we part ways, friend. You have yourself a good time.
Ok. Nous voilà tout seul, à cheval, sur fond de soleil couchant, devant un fort qui m'a l'air fortement inhospitalier, à la recherche de notre ami Bill. Et personne ne fait la blague.
Come on.
À mon avis, ça va chier les bulles. Mais
Bill! Bill, I've come for you! Bill Williamson! Come out here right now!
il est remonté contre Bill.
Right now, John. Don't make me kill you.
Nobody needs to kill anyone, Bill.
You must think I was born yesterday. You always did think I was an idiot.
That ain't fair, Bill. You were as my brother. I've come to try to save you.
Oh,
Traquenard.
I need saving.
Bill, please. They want to kill us all. I can help you.
You never tried to save me before. You only seemed to save yourself.
Bill, I implore you think about this.
You implore me? You implore me? You always were one for fancy words. Oh. Well, things are different now, John. Now I'm in charge!
Ah, problème freudien,
No
tout ça.
Dutch! And no more you. Implored. I implores you to go back and tell them to send someone just a little bit more impressive next time.
Well,
Bon, bah une bonne bastos dès le départ.
Poor John.
Ça fait pas du bien par où ça passe. Et on serait pas la petite gonzesse dans le train, là? Vont-ils me sauver la vie? Oui, sinon je serais très court. Le mec c'est Highlander, il s'est pris quand même une bonne défouraillée. Et toujours vivant.
So, how do you feel?
I don't know the polite word for it.
I do. Stupid is the word we use around here. What were you doing?
I was doing something stupid.
Well, you'll be okay. Once you didn't die, the doctor said you'd be fine. He got the bullets out a couple days ago.
Good.
It cost us $15.
I'm sorry, madam. Should have left me there to die.
Did you want to die? I mean, was that it? Was that why you went straight out to Fort Mercer and picked a fight with the worst bandit in the county? To die, Mr.
Mr. Marston. John Marston.
John Marston.
Bonnie McFarlane. Miss Bonnie McFarlane.
You may be right, Miss McFarlane. I don't know.
Huh. So what were you doing?
I was trying to give Mr. Williamson a chance. For old time's sake.
You know Bill Williamson?
Knew him. Long time ago.
Well, what was he like?
Dumb.
Just like you.
Thank you, miss.
Elle a pas tort, ceci dit.
See my hat?
I have. And, what will you do now?
Now I'm gonna take my time and go after him the less kind way.
Well, that sounds very fun, Mr. Marston. Quite heroic, just like in those penny dreadfuls my brother used to read. Meanwhile, if you'll excuse me, I've got a ranch to run.
Arrête de te la
Of course, if
péter.
you're feeling better, why not take a ride with me later and help me patrol the perimeter? You can earn back some of that money we wasted on doctor's bills.
Of course. And thank you for saving my life, I mean.
Next time, Mr. Marston, I strongly recommend you don't try to lose it quite so earnestly.
I'll bear that in mind.
On va garder ça en tête. Ok les petits amis, va falloir qu'on rembourse la dette, donc on va faire le péon un peu. On va aller voir la Miss Bonnie là. Va te faire mettre. Alors, comment ça se joue? Ça tourne, ça bouge. C'est comme GTA. Ça vise. Ça rengaine. C'est parfait. Ok. Alors.
Mr. Marston,
Ouais, c'est moi.
back in the land of the living, I see.
Figured it's about time I started paying back that $15.
Ah, alors je vais faire le péon.
Well, no time to waste. The horses are saddled up over here.
Je vais regarder quoi, son cul.
There's the foreman's office. It's also where we lock up good-for-nothing outlaws, such as yourself.
Ouh, des chevals.
My current quarters right now, Miss McFarlane.
I picked out a
YOLO.
fine horse for you. Come on, then. I'll show you around the property.
Allez, montre-moi la propriété. Bon, toute cette première partie, ce sera vraiment pour se mettre dans l'ambiance, hein. Pour voir un petit peu l'univers du jeu, pour comprendre un petit peu l'histoire. Et après, il y aura un petit peu plus d'action quand même.
Very convenient. I don't think I've ever seen a ranch with its own store before.
Je m'égare.
And here's the corral. This one's for the horses. What do you think?
I'm no expert, but it certainly looks like a fine corral.
I suspect you've stolen more horses than you've broken.
Now where'd you get such an idea?
First impressions are hard to erase. That's the train station. Things sure have changed since the line finally got finished.
Ouah, il fait foufou là.
Easy.
You'll only get lost!
Whoa.
That's the barn over there. Paul built it himself when I was just a little girl.
Super.
And here we are, back at the house. Let's stop for a while before we head out on patrol.
You'll get no complaint from me, Miss McFarland.
Ok, on garde le cheval. Et on va rejoindre Bonnie à la maison.
How about a cold drink, Mr. Marston?
Thank you, ma'am. Getting shot, then riding a horse seems to take it out of you. I could use a rest.
Sure. Come on in. I'll show you the house and then you can sit for a while.
Thank you.
Qu'il est galant homme.
Mr. Marston,
Miss McFarland.
remember me telling you about the trouble we've been having with rustlers and other undesirables?
I do.
Will you help me keep watch on the property line this evening?
Eh ben maintenant tu passes de péon à chasseur.
Trespassing on our land.
This is a fine weapon.
Come, let's head out. The country is really beautiful at around this time.
On dirait que tu lui as fait un compliment, mec.
We'd best get moving. This is a dangerous time of night for us.
Allez, on monte à cheval. Wouhou, stylé. Brouille-toi. Dépêche-toi. Y'a pas de klaxon sur le cheval.
Let's go. Keep your eyes open and try not to get yourself shot again.
Eh, 2010, c'était pas déjà super beau sans déconner.
Thank you, Mr. Marston. I feel a lot happier someone's along with me.
I feel a lot happier now I got a rifle.
Well, with your trigger itch and my feminine intuition, we should make quite a team.
Mhm.
God damn it, these rabbits are at it again. Come on, let's get rid of them once and for all. It's a rifle.
Ouh, les petits lapins, on va buter les lapins, on bute les lapins. Plus de lapins. Au revoir les lapins.
That was close.
C'est bon, j'ai défoncé tous les lapins.
Mr. Marston, them rabbits didn't stand a chance.
Je sais.
Let's mount up.
Yeehaw!
We should keep moving. There's still a ways to go.
Je viens de massacrer des lapins.
If it's not the rustlers stealing our cattle, it's the rabbits stealing our crops.
It ain't never easy living off the land like this. Maybe you should move to a big city. Become a lady of leisure.
Look out! Coyotes! Shoot them before they get to the animals.
Come on.
Je suis un foufou. Reviens par là.
Quick! They're going after the chickens.
Allez, c'est parti. On va sauver les poupoules.
I'm afraid you're mine.
That coyote won't be back. Nice shot. Good shooting, Mr. Marston.
Bon, ça c'est fait, on a buté tous les coyotes.
You know, you can actually handle a rifle.
It's something I've had a little experience in.
Maybe Bill Williamson did get lucky after all.
Luck didn't really come into it, miss.
You're a useful man to have around the ranch, that's for sure. But don't think I've forgotten what brought you here. We'll do whatever we can to help you.
I sure appreciate that, Miss McFarland.
T'as tout déboîté en mode BG, c'est parti. La suite du programme.
Here we are. Thank you for your help, Mr. Marston. Makes me kind of happy I saved your life. Get some sleep and I will see you in the morning.
Good night, Miss McFarland.
Ok, notre premier lieu de sauvegarde. Ok, ça nous permet de nous réveiller 6 heures plus tard. Une petite malle, ça va nous permettre de nous changer. Recharge en munitions, ça c'est bien ça. Ok. Et on débloque les commerces. Un petit 150 de plus en réputation. C'est bien, on commence à se mettre bien. On va se faire la première sauvegarde. Désolé. Alors... Pardon, celle-ci. Mais confuse, j'ai planté, j'ai fait une petite erreur 404. Ok, on se retrouve 6 heures plus tard. Et cette fois-ci, en mode libre, rien imposé pour l'instant. On regarde la petite map en bas à gauche, en vert là, c'est notre petite cabane. Et le premier endroit pour faire une petite mission, c'est vers le B. Ça doit être Bonnie, très certainement. On va faire un petit peu le tour de la ville, voir ce que ça donne un petit peu, voir comment c'est beau, c'est joli. Une diligence. Oh. Alors, normalement on peut les prendre pour se déplacer de ville en ville. Bon après c'est toujours plus sympa à cheval. Un peu plus long par contre. Alors on a le General Store qui est là. Est-ce qu'il est ouvert? Non, c'est fermé. C'est fermé. Ok, bon allez, on va se faire la première petite vraie mission. Vraie. Parce que juste à maintenant on était posé, donc... C'est parti, rentrons dans le vif du sujet.
Oh, Mr. Marston. How are you doing today?
I'm well, Miss McFarland. Thank you. How are you?
Well, I'm fine. Thank you. So, how are your ribs?
Fine.
J'en ai plus,
Sore,
ça va bien.
Apart from a couple extra scars, it'll be as nothing happened.
Good. Come in, come in. You know, you never did tell me how you met that Bill Williamson or what you wanted from him.
No, miss, I did not.
Well, why not, if you don't mind me asking?
I certainly don't mind you asking if you don't mind me not telling. See, it's a complicated and somewhat pathetic tale, and by telling you, not only would I be putting your life in danger, but also threatening the lives of some people that I hold very dear.
Well, I apologize if I seem to be prying.
And I apologize for my reticence. Hope you believe me when I say that it's simply out of respect for you.
Of course, Mr. Marston.
Il est bien cet homme, qu'est-ce qu'il est bien.
Such as yourself likes to have some exotic secrets, so us country folk are impressed.
Il l'a pas toujours été, mais...
I'm no city man, miss.
Yeah, but I saw you get on the train at Blackwater. You with those gentlemen in bowler hats?
I'm still no city man.
But I'll bet you can't ride, Mr. Marston.
I hate to take money from a lady, miss.
Oh, you won't be. I'll race you right now.
If it makes you happy.
We'll see. All right, I'll show you how we ride round these parts.
Ok, il faut monter à cheval, c'est parti, on suit la mistinguette. Foufou, c'est parti. Alors qu'est-ce qu'on va faire cette fois-ci? Une petite course! Oui, ça fait plaisir ça, une petite course.
On the count of three.
Pardon.
3, 2, 1.
Ok, c'est parti, on trace.
You're not gonna be a gentleman.
Merde, et on fait de la merde dès le départ. C'est n'importe quoi. C'est tout bonnement n'importe quoi. Un epic fail dès le départ. Puis alors pour la rattraper là, tu peux y aller. Mais avance, con de cheval.
Let's go. Let's go. Yeah.
Mais tu fais n'importe quoi. On dirait que le cheval est complètement bourré. Je suis désolé, ça fait un bail que j'ai pas joué à ce jeu. Donc, comme vous pouvez le constater, en direct, je galère mais bien comme il faut. Bah bien sûr. Bah, alors. T'excites pas. Qu'est-ce que tu fais? Qu'est-ce que tu fais? Arrête tes bêtises. Sois un gentil cheval et fais pas le cheval con. C'est navrant. J'ai envie de vous dire, c'est navrant. Alors, on s'est pris une grosse branlée?
That was fun.
Sure.
You know, you should go pay the marshal a visit in Armadillo sometime. I'm sure he could help you deal with that.
Ah, que tu gagnes ou pas? Ouais, on s'en branle. Ok.
Yeah, I might just do that, Miss McFarland.
You do whatever you think
Ça m'arrange.
is best, Mr. Marston.
Ok, on est là en mode pesé. Alors on peut aller voir Bonnie et on peut aller voir aussi le Marshal qui va proposer des petites missions. On va aller voir ce qu'il nous propose direct. Foufou. Hop, en mode rebelle. On respecte rien, on s'en fout. Voilà. Même pas toucher le taureau. Allez. Allez. Bon, il est où le Marshal là? Il est loin. Viens là, cheval. Allez, on va se faire un petit tour chez le Marshal. Et on va voir ce qu'on va rencontrer un petit peu en route. On va en profiter pour admirer le magnifique paysage et surtout l'étendue de la map qui est quand même gigantesque. On va s'arrêter vite fait, on va faire un petit tour dans les options cartes justement. Voilà. On se retrouve sur une carte immense comme celle-ci. Et ça a l'air de rien, mais de rallier là à là, eh bien on va quand même mettre du temps. Alors c'est parti et profitons. On pourra constater sur le chemin qu'on pourra cueillir certaines fleurs, certaines plantes qui nous permettront d'être vendues ou de faire, je sais plus, de la médecine je crois. On aura aussi les animaux qu'on pourra chasser et qu'on pourra vendre. Je ne sais pas ce que c'était, mais un hystérique. Que t'arrive-t-il, mon grand? Que se passe-t-il? Pourquoi tu cours comme ça? Pourquoi tu fais ça? Oui, tu es à moitié nu. Tant pis.
Sorry, mister. Come.
Et il y a une profonde sérénitude à jouer à ce jeu, je trouve. Avec ces grandes étendues. Regarde-moi ça comme si c'est pas beau. Et tout ça, on y a accès, c'est beau. Allez. Allez, parti. Ouais, c'est bon, c'est bon, c'est bon. Chauffard! Parce qu'il va falloir aller se faire quelques petits dollars. Et tant qu'à faire, autant aller dans une ville. Ok. Suite, c'est parti. On va avancer un petit peu dans l'histoire là.
Excuse me.
Hey, hey, you got a visitor.
Oh, Don Diego. Charmant.
Shut up, you. Now what you want?
My name's John Marston. You wanted to speak to me.
I did?
Apparently so.
Why?
I guess because we're both in the business of the law.
You that fella from the train company?
No, I'm from Fort Mercer.
Fort Mercer? You them one of them Williamson boys?
Calm down.
Go on, shoot him, mister. Shoot him.
Come what, you getting keep with me, boy?
What's going on here?
I got me one of them Williamson boys.
I got me one of them idiots who give marshals a bad name.
Jonah, put your gun down.
Chose bizarre, toutes mes armes sont en or, je ne comprends pas. Peut-être parce que j'ai déjà fini le jeu.
Yes, sir.
Enfin, sans l'avoir terminé réellement.
That dog ain't too bright, but he seems loyal.
Jonah, get out of here for a minute.
Yes, sir, Mr. Johnson, sir. And you. Oh, I done seen enough of your hide around here, friend.
I think there's some school children down the way you can go and frighten.
Oh, hardy fucking har. Dickhead.
What are you doing here, Mr. Marston? Apart from frightening my deputies.
I'm here to capture or kill Bill Williamson.
Okay.
Can you help me?
He's outside my jurisdiction. He's in the next county. Of course, Bill Williamson and his boys have tended to keep themselves away from my town.
So you're happy to have him out there?
Well, I ain't happy, but I also ain't suicidal. My job is to keep this town safe, not clean up all of these 3 counties. It's hard enough around here.
You know, I hear you speak, and suddenly I'm reminded of how some of the people I respected most in my life had a problem with authority. What's wrong with you?
Well, I'm sure you and your fine friends have enjoyed spending your time running around pursuing noble causes. My cause is to keep this town from turning into a living hell for the folks that live here. Whole world has problems, mister, and I'm here doing what I can.
Why? What's happening?
Right now, I got the railway, the people that pay my salary, trying to get me to turn a blind eye to them burning down settlements up there. I got a bunch of cattle rustlers out near Box Canyon needs shutting down. Not forgetting the gang that keeps murdering homesteaders out in the back country. And I got a bunch of hoods over in the saloon, drunk, threatening to shoot up the whole town. That's all I got today. But it's early yet. Give me a couple more days. There'll be more.
All right, tell you what. Let's go deal with them hoods in the saloon. Then we'll discuss Williamson.
Ok, on va aller mais se fight direct, ça fait plaisir, oui.
Only when things matter.
On va aller pécho la petite cagra du coin.
So who are we looking for?
Bunch of two-bit hoodlums, led by this fella called Walton. Goddamn road agents who prey on the stages coming in and out of town. Drivers in Armadillo spend more time with their hands in the air than on the reins these days.
And you're happy to let them drink in your saloon?
Happy? No. But the way I figure it, better they're carousing in there than out robbing decent folk.
Okay.
Rat bastard now. Let's follow him. See what kind of hole he crawls into.
Ok, mode petite filature, c'est parti. Allez, Joy Jumper. Bouge ton huc.
Can't lose that trail, boy. Catch up with me when you can.
Allez, petite filature, c'est parti, c'est parti. On le colle au cul, comme ça on est sûr.
Because that ain't how the law works.
Is that right, Marshal?
And alive, he can still talk.
Doesn't sound like he's a man to be reasoned with.
He ain't. But a few days of my hospitality and he'll be telling me what I need to know. Walton's gang's been growing fast.
Outlawing's easy money for easy work.
Cholla Springs, Gap Tooth Ridge, these boys get around. Walton's a start, but there's plenty more where he came from. He's headed for Pleasant's house. Let's stop so we can get a better look.
Allez, je te suis, t'inquiète.
Looks like we got company, boys.
Ok, on s'est fait cramer comme des bleus.
Damn. Take cover. We'll work our way up this hill.
Allez, c'est parti, on va fumer un petit peu du banditas. Allez, cours, 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 cours. Hop, à couvert, ta gueule. Ok, prochain checkpoint, c'est parti. À couvert. Bim. Allez. Fais dodo. Allez, prochain checkpoint. Bim, bim, bim. On reload. Allez, allez. Le petit pruneau qui fait plaisir. Si. Allez, allez. Et voilà comment on capture le mec vivant.
Why don't you check in with me next time you're in town?
I don't want to be no policeman, Marshal.
Nor did I, my friend. I can promise you that. I'll see you soon, Mr. Marston.
Yeah. Come on.
Mission réussie. Un petit peu de tunas. Un petit peu de réputation, ça fait plaisir aussi. Alors qu'est-ce qu'on trouve là? Bien sûr qu'on fouille les corps. Voilà, ça rapporte un petit peu de pèse. Allez, on fouille la petite malle. De la tunasse. On respecte rien, on monte surtout. Des munitions. Ok. Voilà, ça y est, ça fait plaisir. Oh, il y a des chevaux par là. Non. J'ai le mien, moi. C'est mieux. Je suis là. Oh. T'emballes pas. GG.
Let's go.
Alors maintenant, où est-ce que je l'ai fait tomber? C'est notre histoire. Aucune idée d'où est-ce que je l'ai fait tomber. Bref. C'était pour le kiff. On va retourner vite fait... chez Bonnie. Allez. C'est par où? Ah non, le plus près, ça sera le Marshall Johnson. Ok, on va se mettre juste un petit repère. Faudrait que je trouve un raccourci quand même, ce serait une bonne chose. Hop. Voilà. On n'est pas dans le bon sens. Voilà, un petit peu de tunas, ça va nous permettre de... Pour l'instant, pas acheter grand chose. Mais on va jouer un peu au poker. Et après on va se stuffer bien comme il faut. Ils sont un peu foufous les gens, hein. Voilà. On y arrive. Alors rassurez-vous, on n'a même pas vu un dixième de la carte, hein. Pour l'instant on a fait 2 petites villes malheureuses. Mais c'est gigantesque, c'est super beau. Allez, on va garer le cheval. Hop, 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 remballe ça, fait pas le con, toi. Trop tard. Enfin bon. C'est agité comme on peut le constater. Voilà les petits amis, on va se laisser là-dessus. On lancera sur la mission suivante, là, sur l'épisode prochain. Alors, on est déjà sur 52 minutes. Donc on va se laisser là. Je lance la cinématique. Et on se retrouve la prochaine fois. Surtout, n'oubliez pas de liker, de lâcher un petit commentaire. Et n'hésitez pas à vous abonner à la chaîne. Voilà, des gros bisous à tous. Ciao.